Hey guys, if you're encountering a problem with the NVIDIA app and you're unable to open the application, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. So if you're getting this error message on the screen here, what you need to do is just close off of this window, head over to the Start menu and search for Device Manager, and then click on the Device Manager window. From here, click on Display Adapters and expand this drop down, and then just locate your NVIDIA graphics card from the list. Then you need to right click on your NVIDIA graphics card, select Update Driver, and press Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then select your NVIDIA graphics card and press Next, and give that a few minutes while it installs to your computer. Once you've installed the latest drivers, you can then close out of the Device Manager window, try relaunching the NVIDIA app, and checking to see if that's now solved the issue. If it's still not working, the next thing you'll need to do is once again close down the NVIDIA app, click on your Start menu and search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left hand side, select Apps, and then click on Installed Apps. Using the search box, type in the word NVIDIA, and you need to click the three horizontal dots next to the NVIDIA app and select Uninstall. Click the Uninstall button, and then you'll get this window pop up here. Just go ahead and uninstall it from your PC. Once it's finished uninstalling, close out of this window. And then what you need to do is head over to an internet browser and type in NVIDIA App Download and hit enter. Then click on the top search result, and once you're on this page, select Download Now. After it's finished downloading, launch up the NVIDIA app file. And then you'll need to wait for this to install to your computer. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions, and that should automatically load up the NVIDIA app, and you can see now it's working on my computer. Decide between either Game Ready Driver or NVIDIA Studio Driver and select Next. Click Next and then press Done. And as you can see, the NVIDIA app is now working. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.